Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the Relax collection and it is available for purchase. Be sure to go to my website. I'll have it linked down below and purchase your Relax collection products. I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love.
Good morning, y'all. I look rusty and dusty and rusty right now, but good morning. Today is, what's today? January 5th, and today we're making product. We don't have a lot to make, so that's a good thing. And then I'm also going to be trying to get some content as well for TikTok and Instagram and things like that. First thing I'm about to do is get ready. I have to go out because the reason why I'm already like this is because I have a morning task now. Well, I have a full task. I have a responsibility now. Come here, Nala. Come here. Say hello. Say hello, YouTube. Hello. That is my baby girl, Nyla. It's my new puppy. I got her on the last day of December. It was kind of an impulse decision, but not really, because I've always wanted a puppy. I just hadn't got one because I need towel. Towel has to be throughout the apartment, and now I have towel. I've been living here for about 6 months now, so she is a Maltipoo. Yesterday we went to the look at her. Yesterday we went to go get our vaccinations. We've been potty training. She's just a puppy. She's only maybe she's just turned 2 months, January 2nd. So, but yeah, I'm so thankful for her. I love her so much. just don't leave my side. She a real one. She just don't leave my side. So as y'all can see, 2 batches down, 2 more to go, and right now it's 4:32. I just finished editing my video. I'm about to start uploading that, and then I'm gonna take Miss Nala on a walk. But yeah, I'm about to finish whipping that one. I'm hoping I'll be done by 5:30. So yeah, then I'm about to start uploading my video. So make sure y'all check into the unboxing video. I'll leave it right here. Make sure y'all go watch it. All right, y'all. So I finished the collection. Well, I didn't even finish. I gotta make the scrubs tomorrow, but those will go by faster just because I don't have to wait, let them freeze. Didn't have enough sugar, so I'm gonna have to get some more sugar. But I did the hard part, the body butters. They are done. Y'all can see they're done. I didn't make enough for the jasmine. I made an extra of the eucalyptus. And then I had some extras of the peppermint and eucalyptus. So I decided to put these, make them as samples. So that is it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all shop the Relax collection and pamper yourself to relieve stress, anxiety, insomnia, all of that good stuff. These products are amazing for that. The scent, the essential oils in them are great, and they're gonna have you feeling good. Make sure you pamper your mind, body, and soul. So yep, make sure y'all shop the Relax collection. I'll have it linked down below. Be sure to check me out on TikTok, as you will see some cool behind the scenes of today's video. I know behind the scenes of making product. You'll see some popping videos, some cool things on there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. Both of those are Blush Stop Body Care. Make sure y'all follow me on both platforms and stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.